Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can set up a payment method to receive payments on Wix. So let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, I am on my dashboard currently, and what we're going to do from the dashboard is go to the left side panel and go under Getting Paid. Now, what you're going to want to do is click on Connect and Setup. Now, as you can see, this is what it looks like, and you have this big blue Connect Payment Method button. Now, what I do want to make a disclaimer of is that you do need the premium version to receive payments through your Wix site, but that doesn't matter. If you have premium, excellent. If you don't, you will need to upgrade. But let's just click on Connect Payment Method, and as you can see, this is what it looks like. Now, this is the only two options that I have, because this is not a storefront. If I selected a storefront site or an online store site from my site library, I would have the option to enter a payment method of credit cards or debit cards. However, because this is a blog, I only have PayPal and manual payments, so I'm just going to click, for example, PayPal, just click Connect, and then you just need to enter all the data that it asks of you. As you can see, you need to enter your PayPal account email, you need to click Connect, and you'll be redirected, and then you'll need to follow the instructions and click Log In, and your PayPal account will be connected to Wix, and then you can receive payment through there. Then you'll most likely need to go to payment links and set everything up, but you can very easily just go through all the options and set everything up as it is required. Now, I don't have a PayPal account, so I won't be entering anything, but that is pretty much the gist of it, and that should be enough for you guys to be able to connect your payment method. And that's basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.